Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we got investment company here, Eppley Limited, declaring a dividend. As they state, they are a company now of an investment portfolio of Jamaican 4.8 billion. We'll talk about their earnings data this week. They said they made net profit unaudited 12 months of a whopping 264 million, but we'll delve into that a little bit more as this week gets going. For tonight, we're talking about their dividend here, and it's a huge one. Jamaican $1.05 per share. It's going to be paid the end of March 31st, 2022. Now, Honeybun 1982 Limited trading in their shares. Advisory that a company director sold a total of 150,000 shares February 9th of this year. Seprod Limited moving to them. Appointment of a director here. Big time name, business development, lots of stuff, by his name. We'll talk about a lot of his credentials. What we like is Seprod actually put out a bio when they announced it to the JSE. We just spoke about that on Business Live, how many companies are announcing director appointments or executive appointments, and they don't tell us, who the person is. We got to jump on Google as Business Live. Bottom line here, Seprod is appointing Mr. Mark Sumi. We hope we get that surname right here. We're getting hit on Business Live with a lot of these surnames to the board of Seprod effective January 31st, 2022. Now, FESCO, Future Energy Source Company Limited, talk about the trend is your friend, trading in shares here. We tend to see this with FESCO every so often, probably one of the most heavily traded companies on the JSE, the Jamaica Stock Exchange, by company insiders, directors, connected parties, executives, managers. So the advisory here is that a director bought up, purchased on the open market approximately 1.14 million shares on February 10th of this year. It's a big one. Last up tonight, General Insurance Company. Grace went into them big time. We're seeing a nice fourth quarter here. It's Key Insurance Company for the fourth quarter, making the year end ever so nice here. So Key Insurance clearly back into the growth mindset post further capital injection by Grace Kennedy, and just the time spent overall for governance, all the changes they made, board of directors, management team since Grace Kennedy got in here. And coincidentally, it's GK's 100th year anniversary, GK 100, and Key Insurance now on fire. This is for the year ended December 31st, 2021. Gross premiums hitting 1.91 billion Jamaican, getting that growth on the top end. You want to see that. Not the end all be all, but you want to see that in a general insurance company versus Jamaican 1.41 billion for 2020. Earnings per share for 2021, 28 cents Jamaican, and the fourth quarter alone was 25 cents Jamaican. So as we mentioned, everything hitting there the right stride in the fourth quarter. Net profit for 2021, 152 million Jamaican, and the equity closed. Grace Kennedy put in those funds, that injection, December 31st, 2021, 1.07 billion Jamaican dollars. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.